2, 1.
Dark manifestation.
And you should have switched.
I'll do it
Yeah.
by melee. I'll do it by melee.
Ancient curse. Dodge.
Just
Add.
melee may just go. Warlocks go. May just go now if you haven't reset it by
Ancient
now.
curse.
You should. I
Something.
need to go reset.
Dodge.
It's coming right after this. I believe in you.
Stygian annihilation. Devoured abyss. Devoured abyss. Dark manifestation.
It made a noise this time.
Add. Debuff. Dodge. Transition. Obsidian destruction.
So when I grab the first orb, I want
Orb.
SLT darkness. I'm moving marker a little bit, be a bit closer. You can just spell this in the raid, it doesn't matter.
Your first counter.
You should just insta the spell so the boss gets less mana.
Orb.
It's behind the boss.
Orb.
I'm getting it.
Ooh!
That was close.
And I just, yeah,
Orb.
just use AM Cetra. We just want to use it at some point during this.
Orb. Orb. Obsidian destruction.
Getting one more. Just, yeah, back to phase 1. I'll taunt so it's the same.
They're behind.
And then we do that
Dark
again, and we kill the
manifestation.
boss. Nothing changes.
Ancient curse. Dodge. Add.
Melee and mages go. Melee and mages.
Sorry, I can't see
I
what
mean,
it
almost
was.
everyone already got rid of theirs,
Ancient
so if you
curse.
don't, just get rid of yours if you still have it.
Something.
Hide.
It's
Stygian
the
annihilation.
hard mechanic, guys. Hard mechanic.
Devoured abyss. Devoured abyss. Dark manifestation. Dodge.
Watch this one. Just, you should get out of the way, should I say.
Add.
Fuck, I should have played Massacre.
Gonna phase now.
Transition. Destruction.
I want, yeah, again, I want barrier for the first one now, so when I get the orb, you barrier.
Orb.
Don't kill yourself before that, obviously.
Spread.
It's behind the boss.
Orb.
Don't die. You can rest him.
Renovate me, please, Huds.
It's
Orb.
not worth it.
Like, you should really take it easy at the start before we get the healing buff. And then Jira, use
Orb.
AM now, Jira. Stop killing yourself. Like, your health is like 1, man. Just
Orb.
stop.
It comes in one hit. I stopped. I didn't die. I feel like 200k. It's gonna happen.
Orb.
If you have any personals and health stones, use it now. You won't need it after this.
Orb. Orb. Obsidian destruction.
Make sure you buff the ray with that. I'm getting one as well.
Dark manifestation.
I'm gonna taunt of the 2 stacks, and I think we're just gonna keep the odds
Ancient
away now.
curse. Dodge. Add.
Just keep it away so she doesn't get mana.
Ancient curse.
Just get rid of your debuff whenever. Most people have gotten rid of it already, so. I need to move those so I can get rid of mine. Someone, this felt nice. Just don't die to this last one, please.
Stygian annihilation.
I believe in you.
Devoured abyss. Devoured abyss. Devoured abyss.
Have a
Dark
res.
manifestation. Dodge.
No, she will
hitting with his Devour Magic.
Please.
Oh, weapon. Nice.
Oh.
Ah, ah.
Yes!
He did it. He did it. He's a gamer.
You're a degenerate piece of shit, Cal. Holy
Can't
fuck.
believe we wasted time trying to get Cal a weapon when he
Yeah, I
loots.
know, right?